Here to show you how you can tell that your computer is hacked because they control everything on it. I don't even have control over my own settings. So I corrupted the language and reinstalled a program, and then it tried to reinstall again. So I haven't connected it to the web yet. And they messed up my other computer. Anyway, this is the language in here, and it actually it's embedded in these in the area that it's hidden, like in all this like caricatures, and but it says specifically name Microsoft Windows common controls version. It tells the architecture, the public key token. It tells the xmail, the Microsoft.com.contact extended. It tells qualified, tells them which root element. It tells them the different codes to use and the different strings that they're going to be using to get into making a connection with my computer. It tells them how to put in what the elements are, how to put them in. It tells you what path. Photo collection is a collection of one or more photo elements. Personalization is a collection of one or more person. Position, rare unique element IDs on all position entries. Element must be unique position collection. Phone number, physical address collection, then URL collection. And then it goes down to, say, certification collection, TMS address collection, and element must be unique, extend nullable. Then it tells them to prevent radio presets retrieval, and it tells them to turn off our security, like prevent WMP desktop shortcut. That's the Windows media player. Enable screensaver. So they have their values set on their screensaver. And parent category, WMP content. And then policy code update. Explain the text. So then it tells them what's on our computer. Windows Media Player, and then it reformats it. Just do not show anchor. Do not show anchor. Explain. Windows support PreVista. They installed my PreVista. From my OneDrive. Yeah, Microsoft OneDrive. Don't use it. Hide security tab. Display name, string, hide security tab from them. And then skin lockdown. You ever had your thing just like locked down? You can't even touch anything on it. It won't work. Value name, set and lock skin. Lock skin, value name, default skin. Configure HHT proxy settings. And then it has them configure proxy type, and it goes through the Windows Media Player. Then it says down here, oh, is it going to go down for me? Come on. There you go. Then it says down here, display name, use browser proxy settings, and it has them set a proxy address using a bypass local proxy. Do not use local proxy. Exclude from proxy list. Configure MMS proxy settings so that it won't show up, so we can't even see them connected. They use a virtual page, apparently, to do this. Proxy address, do not use proxy local. Value names, exclude from proxy. Configure RTSP proxy settings, string, configure RTS proxy settings, string, configure RTS proxy settings, explain, and then presentation, configure RTS proxy settings. Parent category, WMP network. So then they change the way our network, the things in the network are categorized. Windows Media Player, auto detect. Then disable network settings. Yeah, disable our network settings. And network buffering, string network buffering. Buffering value name, buffering type, Windows Media Player, value names, use default buffering. So then they're using our media player to buffer through. Network buffering, max value 60. Windows streaming media protocols. String, Windows streaming media protocol explain. Presentation, Windows streaming media protocols. Value names, Windows media streaming protocols. So they label it, they keep the rules in the computer under the protocols because they've renamed the Microsoft protocols, in the long list of things we never read. Like here, see, it says software, policies, Microsoft Windows Defender Security Center, app and browser. Disallow exploit protection. Oh, and see if you change the thing they don't want us to use, it like highlights it so you can see it really. You can, because I'll show you how it's embedded in a second, but it's not on this one because I copied it and pasted it on this one. But display name string.custom. I'm doing this for my record too, so I have it because I want to sue Best Buy because the guy at Best Buy put this program on there. He went back with the brand new computer. I bought $1,700 computer, and he came back out like 15 minutes later. He had it in his hand at first, and I should have said something anyway. Use default buffering. They're still doing buffering. Windows streaming media protocols. Disallow exploit protection override. Disallow performance health. Disable notifications. Disable notifications. Enterprise customization, enable custom toasts, whatever they are. Enterprise customization, enable in-app customization. So now they're customizing the apps on our device with the in-app customization. I'm recording this too, so, like if anybody wants to use it to show that, like, they get in the registry, like you could take this to a computer programmer and they would, this is the registry. They're remoting into our registry, not even using our internet. They're bypassing our proxy server and they're using our Windows Media Player. Presentation, enterprise customization email. So now they're getting in the email. Account protection UI lockdown. Software policies, parent category, account protection, device security UI lockdown. Key software policies, parent category, device security. Device security, hide secure boot. So now they're hiding our secure boot that we had, our boot drive, so we can't even back up our computer if we wanted to. It's hidden. So the only thing we can do is use the version that they installed on our thing. Device security, disable clear temp button, disable TMP firmware update warning. System tray, hide system tray. So now they're hiding more shit. Dude, it's ridiculous. So it comes on the, there's a bunch of files that are, if you look, and you should have two program. They do it really sneaky. They make it not, because I guess this remote desktops and stuff nowadays, it makes it easier for them to hide it. But they come in the notepads in the form of this. And it's not responding now, of course, because I'm sure they're watching me. Let's see. We'll go here. So here on my thing, they've got there's two different program files. Well, you'll notice if you go into one of them, it'll have stuff like, oh, I got that one out there. The common files, though, is System, Microsoft Shared. You go into Microsoft Shared, and there is all kinds of, no, it's not, let me. There's you'll open each one of these. Oh, these ones are shorter. You're going to find, you'll open one of them, and there's 3,000 of these things in it, and they'll be running all at the same time. Oh, this is one I already, oh no, it's still opening it. There it is. Okay, so see, then these come up, and it's looks like just gibberish, but then when you start to go down it, and you start to go through it, all of a sudden, oh, there's the text. So you go up. Let's see. Oh, where was it? It's hard to record and do this at the same time. Where was it? Right there. Oh, there we go. Okay. So, go right here. Okay, so now right here, right here. And if you highlight it, you can see it a lot easier. But look, count, workspace, foreign name, batch size, type, SQL, position, document name, designer, master ID. It's got, look at all this shit. I mean, like, it's like secretively embedded in this crap. But some of them go through and they're like terrible. They're like steal, basically. I don't know the wording because I don't know how to computer program exactly. I've been Googling shit and I've been at it for hours trying to get them off of here. But it like tells you the last modified generic content, primary locus, PID, default value, permission cache set, connect default passwords, login timeouts, workspace foreign name, batch size type, SQL, and mount position document name, design master ID, field size. I mean, they're just like collecting everything from bookmark users, attributes, validation rules, cache size, validation text. I mean, they do. It's fucked up. Source field, field name, list indexes, free and I mean, I don't know exactly what get functions, get type info, free connect, set connect option, set configuration data source, snapshot, list field numbers, field attributes, field order, snapshot, type, temporary. Yeah, if we don't think they're in our watching us through through the fucking camera, we're stupid, you know? I mean, if they can get in like this is ridiculous. Like, this is like a major, like, overt federal crime to do this. I mean, you're going through through internet routes. That's a federal crime. They don't give a fuck though. That they think they own us. But it gets, yeah, it's there's more of it in there, and it's like hidden further down, but it's in your under your C drive, and so they have this pathway that they create that has it's like a virtual machine, but it's a virtual page. I think is what I'm learning. I thought it was a virtual machine, but maybe it's a virtual page. But it's something. It's a virtual connection. And I could only find it after I uninstalled everything on the computer. I went through and corrupt the files by just deleting shit because it won't let me throw anything away. It wouldn't let me do anything on my own computer. Like I have no functions on my nice new computer that I was all excited to have. Like I can't do shit, and it fucking pisses me off. I'm like, you spend, and then I'm writing this book I'm trying to finish, and I can't even get on my own computer to do it. Like, fucking bullshit. But anyway, this is, I thought it would go faster down. I was going to try and show the other one, but yeah, if you go to your main C drive and just open some folders, and then if you right click, you can say view in Notepad or edit in Notepad, and that's where you'll find the programming language is at. Let's see if there's anything else in this one. But you should, I mean, some of them are like, they have patterns in them and stuff, and like they'll have lots of wording at the end. Some of them have diagnostics at the end. Like look how it scatters and goes together. It's like weird. Oh, here's some more. Like binary. See, and I think it actually is the nano stuff that's connecting them to the network, because I have more Magellans. I'm targeted with nano real heavily, and it's in my computer. I can feel it go in my hands and shit. So I think that's what they're using. Oh, see, here's another one. String file info, get desk. Look at that. I mean, and it's just random. I better know, yeah. Anyway, go get class object, go get malloc, std exception destroy, co-initialize, co-unit initialized. But I need to make sure they're not towing my vehicle. I'm sure they probably are trying to, because they've done it to me many times. Anyway, there's my proof.